Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to be giving you a sneak peek at our brand new Strong Abs workout from our online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. This is a fantastic and effective short and sweet routine that you can do anytime to really strengthen and tone your entire powerhouse. Now all you need for this workout is your mat, so let's get started. We're going to start by lying in the center of the mat, so make sure here you come into a neutral position. Lying all the way down, pelvis is nice and centered, abdominals are pulled in nice and tight, you're nice and centered and grounded and keeping those shoulders away from the ears. Now if at any stage you need to, you can lower your head back down onto the ground for any of these exercises. We're going to lift our legs up into a tabletop position. Squeeze your legs together, press the heels together and point through the toes. Now you're going to slowly turn out from the hip and separate the knees and also separate your big toes slightly. Just your heels are pressing together. Now bring your hands behind your head, interlace your fingers and lift your elbows just an inch or two off the ground. You're going to lengthen through your neck, lift and stretch out through the neck and lift those shoulder blades off the ground. You're going to stretch your legs nice and long, breathe in. Exhale, pull the heels back in. 7 to go. Pull back in. And 6, pulling in, just 5 more. Draw that navel deep towards your spine. And 4. 3 to go. 3. And 2. One last time. Bring it back to tabletop and squeeze your knees together. Keep your toes pointed. Reach out and pull back in. Stretch it out. Good. Stretch. Let's do 5 more. 5. And 4. Lengthen through the back of your neck. 3 to go. 3. And 2. One last time. Same thing with your feet flexed. Squeeze those legs together. Really press, stretch. And pull back in. Good, stretching out, squeezing those thighs together. Pressing through your heels. 5 more. 5. And 4. Good, 3 to go. And 2. Now press this last one out. Turn your toes out. You're going to point and then flex. 7. And 6. Just 5 more. Pulling that navel up and in. 4 more. And 3, 2, and 1. Draw the legs back to the center, lower all the way down and rest. Now if you enjoyed that sequence and you would like to view the full length workout, check out our online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. We have this full length workout and over 500 more full length real-time routines. We have reformer sessions, programs, challenges, non-equipment and equipment workouts and so much more. Check it out with our free 10-day trial. I can't wait to see you on the mat.